Hey everybody, welcome back to This Old Trike. Today we've got a special treat for you. We're going to show you our next build. Come here.
So what do you got for us, Palin?
So we have a 1981 70.
Mm-hmm. You've been keeping this one secret?
Yes, very, very secret.
So I think what we should do is tell everybody a little bit about what we're going to do, but keep some details secret until the end. Mm-hmm. This might be a multi-video build, because right now it's not much, right?
Yes.
You've already said it's a 81.
Yes.
Is that a correct 81 tank off it?
Yes.
Are we going to use that tank?
No.
What tank are we going to use?
We're going to use a white one.
We've got a white one.
Oh, it's right here. Can I pick it up?
Well, we'll just tell them about it. Leave it right here in the box. So this is an ape tank. They are off something else. They're a little bit longer and a little bit bigger than a regular ATC70 tank. And we just did a test fit to see if it will fit on this 70 without stretching the frame. And what did we find out?
It won't.
It will not. So we've got a Smith Pro frame stretch extension that I bought for a different machine. So I'm going to use it here, but get another one for this other 70. And we wanted to confirm that the frame was straight. Do you know of any methods that we could check out to confirm if the frame is straight?
Stretching the frame or something.
Great answer, honey. Great answer. That's not what we were looking for,
Okay.
but I give you points for that. So just what did Daddy search YouTube for just a minute ago when we were outside?
Power Sports Surplus.
Vinny Staffa's YouTube channel, Power Sports Surplus. Might be Power Sports Surplus LLC. You type all that in and you're going to find it.
Yeah.
But Vinny, one of Vinny's first videos, back when he used to make videos, remember that?
Yeah.
That was like so long ago. Those were the best videos, but then he stopped. He got busy doing other things. He's not even interested in three-wheelers anymore. But so I need to find my tape measure, so we'll be right back. So tape measure was there the whole time. So in Vinny's video, he reminds us all that the quick and easy way to confirm that your frame is straight is by checking the measurement. And this, I got this from Vinny Staffa's YouTube channel. You go to in front. Can you get down here? You go in front of the axle sleeve here. And then come down here, honey. To the center of the axle. 34.5 is on the money. But we don't know if we're totally straight. Let's see if we get the same measurement over here. 34. It's actually a touch over a half. So I'll call that a win. I believe the frame to be straight and able to be torn down and modified without having an issue down the road. So by stretching it, we're not going to have an issue anyway. We're going to put a 110 motor in this. I think it's an off-brand. It's not a Piranha or a Lifen or anything. It's auto, fully auto, no shifting. Right, Palin?
Yes.
E-start. So press of a button will be off and running. We ordered a custom seat from Cascade ATV Seats. Awesome people. It was an absolute pleasure to deal with them. We got custom Meyer fenders. We'll reveal the color later, but they are the 250R style. And some things we don't know yet. We're going to figure it out as we go along, and I'm excited. But more importantly, how are you, Palin? Are you excited?
Yes.
All right.
Why wouldn't I be?
So what do you think we should do next?
I'm not an expert at tearing down machines, so it's up to you.
Okay. Well, let's hand the phone over to me and we'll talk it through. So, now that we've confirmed the frame is straight, we're going to pull the front tire and rim off. We're going to pull the front forks off. There's mosquitoes out in full force tonight, so we're not going to make this any longer than we need to. Then we can pull the axle out. It has a name, which we are not revealing yet.
Yeah, no.
Custom decals are being made. Who's making our decals?
Blue Simon.
Bruce Allman at Blue Line Graphics. And I think that's it for now. We've looked at this rusty chassis long enough. We're going to get after it. Well, Palin, we just calculated the days until we leave for Trike Fest. How many days is it?
16.
16 days. Thankfully, we've done a tremendous amount of work on your 70 project.
Tremendous amount.
Nothing. So Palin's going to get this pushed in the shop. Because it's your project. So one of the things that was neat about this, somebody made a homemade foot brake for it, which we're probably not going to end up using.
Yeah, no.
All right, Palin,
Like, roll with it.
get in there.
Wait, what? I'm going that way, right?
Yeah, get it out and just pull the front over.
Okay,
Yep, you're pushing it. Just pull. Nope. So, work on the 88 Big Red is still ongoing. We've taken down our makeshift sandblast cabinet, bead blast for the motor, but there's still 88 stuff everywhere. But taking that down has allowed us to wheel this in. It's nice and cool, it's not too hot. So we're gonna tear down. We've confirmed the frame is straight, right?
Yeah.
Yep. We've confirmed that we need a Smith Pro, TJ Smith made 3-inch frame extension. I've confirmed with him that the good placement for that is to make a cut somewhere in this neighborhood. The gas tank I bought is going to require us to drop the tank mount. So we've got to figure all that out. So this is a 81, made in May of 80, not 81. My wife was born in May of 81, so I was mistaken to think this was made the same time.
Oh no.
Well, cool. Palin's apparently going to start cleaning,
Yeah.
but we're going to start wrenching too.
Disgusting.
Shall we do a little time lapse?
Sure.
All right, well, here we go. Well, Monday morning, 15 days until Trike Fest. And I'm about to cut this frame right there to put in the 3-inch extension. So I have it under good authority that that is a acceptable location. I gotta get new bearings on order, chain and sprockets. I think I've got everything else accounted for, but I'm sure that we're gonna be figuring something out that maybe I didn't get all the way. But I put a couple locator marks on here to help me orient it. It seems to be self-locating the way it sits, but when it's apart, who knows what it's going to do. So I'm almost thinking when I cut it, I should sandblast it, but then there goes my orientation stuff. It's filthy. I gotta blast it with the pressure washer before I get crazy. Anyway, here we go. Let's get a battery first. That was easy enough. It's a nice fit, TJ. TJ Smith, Smith Pro. Well, I just consulted with the man, Mr. TJ Smith. Just came off a weekend of racing where he got crashed a little bit. He told me I'm, I'm on the right track. I just was feeling him out since I've never done this before. We're going to leave just a little bit of gap between each of these. Probably drill some through holes. Take the plug out, of course. 2 holes here, 2 holes here, so we can do some plug welds on either side. Get it oriented and tack it in and hope for the best. But that will be when we get home from Dallas. But it's going to be nice. I think the girl's going to be happy. That's where we're going to leave it for now. Make sure to tune in for the conclusion, hopefully, of Palin's custom three-wheeler.
Hey everybody, welcome back to This Old Trike. Today we've got a special build for you. We're gonna Hey everybody, welcome back to This Old Trike. Today we've got a special treat for you. We're gonna show you our new build.